Well, hello and welcome to Lesson 3. Now, it might seem a little early and premature of me to discuss course ratings with you, and you know what? I absolutely agree. But for those of you that have already subscribed to this course, as opposed to those of you that are watching this as just a preview lesson, you subscribers are going to be asked, in fact, probably after this lesson, if you will rate this course. And the Udemy system automatically asks you for a rating at this point. This is not something that I've set up, and it's completely outside of my control. Now, I'd suggest to you that at this point, you haven't seen enough of the course to make a fair assessment of the content, and I'm sure most of you would agree with that. So, in which case, you can use the Ask Me Later or Ask Me at the end of the course links as shown on the screen here. Now, Udemy's systems take your ratings very seriously indeed. And as such, it would be really great if you did leave a rating. But please only leave a rating when you've come to an informed decision about the content of this course. Okay, well that's it on the subject of ratings. The point I really just want to make once again is that I'm sorry that you're being asked so early in the course for your opinion. That is completely up to Udemy and it's outside of my control. And if you don't want to give your opinion at this point, you certainly don't have to. You can do that at the end of the course. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. As always, thank you for your time.